Go.
Hi all, Joe from Bird Control Australia. Just want to show you how simple it is to put these bird busters back in place when you finish your day out on the boat. Just as easy as unscrew the top slightly, loosen it up, not too much. Pull either side out so they're equal distance, like so. Nip it up. First one's over here on the handrails. An easy fit rail mount, so you can easily just leave them in place as you're cruising. And it's just easy enough to push them in. Clockwise rotation. The next one on the bowsprit up here. Get those cormorants off the front. They can make a lot of mess. There. Zip it in. Away you go. And then I've got a couple too just down on the deck, protecting the deck area. Very simple. Rotate. And the next one. Pop it in. Put it anti-clockwise. That's as simple it is. And you can leave the boat and you know you're going to be safe. Bird-free boating.